Creators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupe Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sheriff. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Well, I do. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Well, it's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. Smack dab in the center of the UFO project. What's a bad miracle? You're about to find out. Welcome to the world of no.
Set of note, but you can see these sets in theaters right now in Jordan Peele's movie. I'm getting a call on the monitors from our security department. When they call, I have to answer. Please remain seated.